Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in the lovely place called Stockport. Well, I say lovely place, I'm just watching this driver attempt to reverse. Yes, we're in Stockport. It's a very quick video. I got up this morning with a lovely little email that told me that someone had donated on Patreon to us with the monthly subscription thingy-majiggy I was doing. And that person is Mark Ames. I'm sure that's how I pronounce his name. The name's bugging me. I've heard the name before, I've seen the name before, and I can't think where apart from Facebook. But yeah, cheers mate. It's the first one, you're paving the way. And I'm hoping you won't be obviously the last person to do it. So yeah, I'm hoping that there'll be more people that are more willing to give by Patreon as well, because the ad revenue's come through the floor and it's carrying on going. I don't get that much anymore from YouTube. But yeah, cheers Mark. Obviously everyone that does donate will get a shout out at the end of the videos. At the moment, until I've figured out how I'm going to do it, I'm just going to put everyone's names at the bottom of the video that do it during the end credits thingy-majiggy, the end bit. I'm just going to put the names under that for now, until I find a way of being able to do it. So yeah, that was a pleasant surprise. I'm glad someone's at least started and set the ball in motion for Patreon. I'm glad. It also gives me a little bit more of a kick now to do more videos for you and give away little hints and stuff like that. As I posted this morning a picture for Patrons of one of the upcoming videos. I've got a few more pictures and stuff that I need to post up, but I want to do the videos first, so I know there definitely is a video to go with the photo, obviously. But there is an interesting, I say interesting, it's one of them, because I didn't have anything with me, so it was all a bit impromptu trying to get it. But there's a bit of extra footage in there somewhere for you. There's still quite a few videos that I need to do, but I'm getting there. I've got a piece of paper at home somewhere with all the ideas on of the videos that I want to do, and all the other bits and bobs and stuff that needs doing, etc, etc. So if I'm switching reverse, so if you would like, he's doing my trick, he's going for it. So yes, anyway, what was I saying? If you've got any video ideas, Friday Night Disco back there, if you've got any ideas, let us know in the comments below, and I'll try and do what I can. I have got a lot of ideas myself, or chalked down, and you know, it's just getting around to filming them, because some of them I'm going to do with Will, it's just getting a bit of our time together. The other thing is, when I reach 50 people, giving $1 each, or $1.20, whatever it is, after the fees have been taken, we'll be we will be organising a live question and answer. That's going to be interesting. That's all I'm going to say on that. So yeah, again, thanks to Mark for setting the ball rolling. Thanks for you guys that are still subscribing, still commenting, still liking all the videos. Why does it automatically go into bus reversing and ours don't? Fuck off. Really must stop swearing. I don't mind to do that. They must have put the interrupts in. Anyway, yeah, so thanks for all your continued support, and I hope to carry on being able to create videos for you and do what you wish. Obviously I've got a few different bits. I'm changing the intro scene very shortly. Not dramatically, but I'm changing it ever so slightly. Just a tad. And I'll be changing the end titles as well. Again, just a tad. But as you like the music, I won't be changing the music. Because last time I changed the music, people whinged. So I won't be changing the music, it's just the footage that's in them. Anyway, from me, I'd like to thank you for watching. Obviously, like, subscribe, and press the little bell so you get a notification every time I upload. And comment. I knew I was missing one. Obviously, Patreon is in the cards at the top when I add them, because it'll be when I get home. Bus driver Johnny is when I add him. He's going to be somewhere around there. Most recent videos and etc. in the middle here, and my website is over there. I'm still overhauling that website, so bear with me. But if you've got any ideas what you'd like to see on that website, what information you like on the route pages, etc., any of the extras, let me know in the comments below, or I'll be adding a email address to the comments as well, so you'll be able to email me at, I think it's admin@macbuses.com, if I remember rightly off the top of my head. So I'm going to have to go now because I'm paid to drive a bus and the bus needs driving. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.